Alibre version 28 has a number of additional enhancements. Here I have an assembly from Howard, which I think is pretty impressive. But let's say I want to insert something into this assembly and center it according to the planes that I used to model the part. Well, here's a part. I can always right-click on it and show the reference geometry to see the planes and axes and other things that I used to make the part originally. But until now, we've never had a hotkey to be able to toggle these things. We always have to right-click and turn them on and off. Well, if I open up my system options, and I select keyboard shortcuts, and I go to Assembly Editor, and under View, I now have this option to show reference geometry. I can click in this box and push whatever hotkeys I would like. And now if I highlight that part and use my hotkeys, I can toggle that geometry on and off very easily. One of the new features in Alibre version 28 is the addition of this slot button. And when I click it, I can create my own slot shape very easily. Likewise, I can choose to make a circular slot that is based around a certain arc, and I even have the option to draw a 3-point arc and create a slot around that. These should be welcome time-saving additions for all users in version 28. One of the things that I've been particularly excited about V28 is the enhancement of dark mode. Now we can always recolor our ribbon using this button up here, and we can make our background darker using the system options. But now, when I choose dark mode, the design tree becomes dark as well. And you can configure whatever background you'd like to match your dark theme. This is Alibre version 27, and I have my favorite materials that are available upon a right click. I can set my favorite materials by simply choosing a material and adding it to favorites. And then I can save and apply and see that I now have iron in my favorites. So right now, looks like I have about 4 materials that I can have as a favorite. But naturally, when I go to make a model of a thermonuclear missile, I would want to have uranium as one of my favorites. But if you can only have 4 materials in your favorites, it's less convenient to do that. Now when we switch to version 28 and I right click on my material, you can see I have many more options and I can fit uranium in there, no problem. We now have 10 options for Alibre materials. And now I have uranium. So this was an overview of the other features that Alibre has to offer. We have even more substantial things to come, and we can't wait to see what you'll make in the meantime. Thank you so much for watching.